All right, a while back, I showed you my Victorinox knife. I've been using it. I found it very good. I didn't expect it wouldn't be good. It is a little large and expensive as heck. I think it's about 300 bucks. It's my gift to myself for Christmas, and it's May. So I didn't buy anything really for myself on Christmas. I buy things for other people, and I tell them not to buy anything for me. And some of my friends still buy stuff for me. They're just nice people. So, it's pretty good. Now, the one thing I have about these Victorinox is no knife is sharp straight from the manufacturer. I don't know. It might be, I think they call it health and safety in some countries, or they want to make sure you don't cut your finger off unless you sharpen it yourself. So I've got this little blade sharpener from Victorinox. This is the head, so it actually works like a little pen in your pockets, so you can carry it around. Let's see. I think I can just let me take this. Doing this with one hand. I should have worn my camera glasses. All right, now I should be able to drag it through here. You've got a little V in there that will allow me to, I don't know if it's not autofocusing particularly well, that will allow me to sharpen a blade and give it some kind of bevel. And then I'll have to clean off any residual mess with this, with the full thin, very, very thin, very, very slick grit. I guess that's to make sure you keep that mirror finish. So I just want to give you a quick look at that. I got a whole lot more other stuff I need to show you, but I need to make a video just to let you know I haven't died. At least I haven't died yet. By the time you get there, we never know. In any case, I just want to give you a quick look at that. Just another little addition for this Victorinox thing, which I spent way, way too much money for. I have been wearing a little pouch around. Don't usually wear pouches with pocket knives if it's a small one, but this is a monstrosity, so the pouch is helpful. So and I just keep it. I'm in Texas, so having a knife on your belt is not unusual. Anyway, I will talk to you later, and I got some stuff to do with the van out. I'm in the weekend, so I got my one day at a hotel, so I can do a few of these little desktop videos real quick before I need to get back in the van. Well, that other was a pretty small video, so I thought I would do this. I bought a batch of memory from Walmart, 200 gigabyte, multiple cards. I've got a lot of 4K cameras, including the one I'm using now, so I'm going to drop these into all the 4K cameras. I probably would have bought 256 if I saw it, but this is enough. I download them before they get ridiculous most of the time. And and I got this camera for the a dash cam, in effect. It connects to the mirror, but it's still called a dash cam for my van. And I don't really know if it's needed, but what is it? Better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it, in case somebody decides my old van is a good thing to stop their luxury car in front of, or their luxury car they owe money on, and decide I need to pay it, or try to make some weird medical claim. So I just want to get this to cover myself. And yeah, I got natural paranoia. And what's the old saying? Even paranoids have enemies. And that's about all. I bought junk food and everything else from Walmart, since it's still a continuation of my day at the hotel, trying to get some desktop type videos done as quick as I can. In any case, that's all. So I'm going to load up the 4K cameras I've got with this 200. Take the 64s or 128s. I don't think I have even many 128s out. And then use one or the other one in my dash cam, since the dash cam is going to flip over periodically. I think usually they just It's got some type of gyro stabilization where when you move, it'll kick on and then it will stay on and begin to record, and then it'll record over itself and over itself and over itself. So you have at least that's how I understand it. In any case, that's about all I've got. I will be back later. Not gonna be doing much, and the clouds are about to spit up on us big time again. And in Texas, every storm has both a tornado potential and heavy hail possibility. And the meteorologists have learned this, so they cover themselves by, if they think it's going to be a drop of rain, it also could be a tornado or hail. And they're probably right. I will talk to you later. And you have a wonderful day. I think I'm going to cut this video here and move on to the next hurdle.